Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. I'm your Basha. In the previous video, we have discussed about variables and data types. In this video, we are going to discuss about different ways of printing different type of variables. Let me explain with the example. I'm opening my text editor and I'm taking a variable name as RAM and I'm going to print this variable. Okay, yeah, we get the output. If it is okay, but if we print like this, it will make more sense. My name is Ram. It will make more sense. To do this, there are 5 different ways. This is one way. We have already seen previous videos. I am going to explain 4 different ways now. Okay, let me take another variable. Okay, now to print my name is Ram and I am 20 years old. We are going to, the first method is we're going to give age here, comma, years old. See, my name is Ram and I am 20 years old. We got output. To do this, we have certain number of methods. There are 5 methods. This is the first method and I'm going to explain the second method now. Print and take F here and my name is, take the flower basis, head here, give the variable whatever you want to print. We want to put name here, right? And I'm giving the name and I am variable to give here 20. So age, I'm going to give age 20 years old. This is the second method. Let's see. My name is Ram and I'm 20 years old. Now next method is print. Let's see. My name is, and this is my name is, this is a string. So we can concatenate 2 strings by adding plus and give another string name. And we want to add and I am 20 years old, right? This is also a string, so we need another plus and I am 20 years. 20 is an integer, so we have to convert it into a string. Then we are able to concatenate it. So to convert into string, str and give the integer age. Now the age became string, so we can concatenate it. So plus and I am 20 years or years old. This is another method. Let me check my name. I need to provide space correctly. I need to correctly. Okay, let me execute this. See, my name is Ram and I am 20 years old. Ram and 20 years got attached, so we will give space. It will look nicely. See, my name is Ram and I am 20 years old. The next method is print. My name is, and here for string percentage and I am 20, the integer, right? So I years old. Wait, mistake here. And here into percent, and what variables we have one in place of percentage and percentile. The variables are name, comma, age, right? Is another method. Fourth one. Let's execute and certificate. See, my name is Ram and I'm 20 years old. The last method is my name is in the flower basis. The first variable you give 0 and I am, and the flower basis for another variable you give 21 years old. Here would you format if it's a dot format inside format method we have to give what variables we want in the place of we want one name and age, right? Let me execute this. See, my name is Ram and I'm 20 years old. How nicely it looks. These are the 5 different ways of printing. 5 different ways of printing different type of variables. How you understand? Okay, and I'm going to explain another program in this video, that is swapping. Well, if we come from C or Java background, or if we have any programming knowledge, we are all familiar with swapping. Swapping means exchanging the data in variables. So I'm going in C and Java, like programming languages. To do swapping, first we have to assign the a variable to we have to take third variable, and that is called temp, and assign the variable is with that temp is equal to a and a is equal to b. And b is equal to temp. We do this in C and Java like programming languages, but in Python we don't need this. It is very simple. Let me show with an example. Suppose we take a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So print them before swapping. Before swap the values of a comma b. Here the swapping is simple. A comma b is equal to b comma a. That's it. The swapping is done. Let me print them to check. After swapping, after swap a comma b. Let me execute this to see. Before swap the values of 10 comma 20 and after swap the values of 20 comma 10. This is swapping in Python. Very simple. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. To get more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.